Have you ever wondered what really happens inside an atom? At this tiny scale, nature behaves very differently from the world we experience every day. Particles can behave like waves, and energy can exist only in certain allowed amounts. These unusual behaviors required physicists to develop a completely new way of describing nature. That new framework became known as quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that describes how matter and energy behave at microscopic scales. At the quantum scale, we often predict the probability of where a particle may be detected. Some physical quantities, such as atomic energy, can only take specific allowed values. Quantum objects can also show both particle-like and wave-like behavior. And certain pairs of properties cannot both be known with unlimited precision.
Quantum systems can also exist in a combination of possible states before measurement.
Despite its strange behavior, quantum mechanics makes remarkably accurate predictions about the microscopic world.
It also forms the foundation of technologies such as lasers, computer chips, LEDs, and quantum computers.
Quantum mechanics may seem strange, but it reveals how nature works at its deepest level. Thanks for watching Think on Physics.